Now, good afternoon, class 8. Yeah, in fact, I want us to proceed with where we left, and we are going to proceed with scale drawing. So, if you can remember very well, just before we did our exams, that was on, I think it was the month of March. I introduced the scale drawing, and we did very little about it. So it is my feeling that we proceed with it so that we finish it as a topic. So, of course, we are going to learn about scale drawing as I've written. We are just proceeding with the lesson that I actually done with you. So let's look at this one here. The scale 1 centimeter represents 10 centimeters. This is what we call representative scale. As we did earlier on in class 7, I told you that we have got different types of scales. As you know, this one here is what we call representative scale. This representative scale as well can be written in the ratio, in terms of ratio scale. So how can it be written? Now there is a formula which already I think you have with you. Now the formula on how to convert a representative scale into a ratio scale is given as this. We must actually have the drawing length over the real length. The drawing length, which is this one here, this is the drawing length, and this is the real length. Now, if you take the real length, the drawing length, in terms of the real length, and we write it in terms of a fraction, we are going to have 1 centimeter over 10 centimeter. Centimeter will cancel centimeter, and therefore we are going to have 1 over 10. Sorry for that noise. So therefore we write 1 ratio 10. So 1 ratio 10 is written like this. So therefore, 1 centimeter represents 10 centimeter can be written as 1 ratio 10. What does it mean? It means that for 1 unit of drawing length, just 1 unit of drawing length will represent 10 units of real length. As I told you earlier, that ratio or scale drawing is an important area whereby it is used in different areas. So if we take only a unit, we draw a unit on the paper, this will represent 10 units in the real ground. So the scale 1 centimeter represents 10 meters can be written as what? Who can tell me now? Yes. Who can tell me? Anna. Yes. Who can assist Anna? Yes, that is good, Zarka. So we can actually express it in terms of whatever I just said here. That the drawing length as a fraction of real length. The drawing length is 1 centimeter here. This is the first one is drawing length is 1 centimeter and the real length is 10 meters. If you look at this fraction keenly, it has got a problem. Which problem do you think it has? Which problem do you think it has? Yes. Woman. Yes. If you look at it keenly, you realize that the denominator here is in meters. So the units are different. So we must ensure that the units, these units must be the same. So if you look at this one here, this is centimeter and this is meter. So therefore we have to change this one. We have to convert this meter into centimeter so that we have a uniform unit. So first of all, convert 10 meters into centimeters. Is there anybody who does not know how to convert meters into centimeters? Up to now, if you don't know this, then we call you a Kiongongong. As you know, Kiongongong, from where I come, this is regarded as the ugliest woman in that society where I come from. Of course, I come from the lakeside. So if you don't know, you cannot actually convert meter into centimeters, then I don't know how I can say. But all in all, we must actually know that if you want to convert those people do not know, we say if 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. What of now 10 meters? Therefore, 10 meters is equal to what? So this one we say 10 meters times 100 centimeters divided by 1 meter. Meter we cancel meter. And therefore we have got 10 times 100. Yes. Tally, what is 10 times 100? Yes, it's 1000. That's good. So in other words, I'm going to have now 1000 centimeters. So this one here now, instead of writing 10 meters, I'm going to write it as what? As 1000. Sorry, 1000. So Tally, you're not right. It's not 10,000. It's 1000. So 10 meter into centimeters is going to be 1000, not 10,000 as you said earlier. So it means that I'm going to have 1. So therefore, I'm going to have 1 centimeter divided by 10, divided by 1000. So just cancel the units. The units will go like that. So what I'm going to have 1 all over 1000. Fraction as well also can be written as a ratio. Fraction is just a ratio. So when you have this one fraction 1 over 1000, this is the same as 1 ratio 1000. 1 ratio 1000. And this is the symbol of the ratio. The symbol for the ratio is this. Those two, or we call them, sometimes call them colon in English. But in this case here, when we have them here, this is a symbol of ratio. So, what does it mean? What does it mean? It means that if I have only 1 unit of the drawing on a paper, this 1 unit is going to be the same as or equal to 1000 units on the real ground.